Another day, another recording. Today I'm discussing to you all about, chapter two. And what chapter two goes over is, developing web applications. So this is a code pattern. A controller populates a model and names a view. The viewer renders that data as HTML. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. So then as you can see, we got, so I've got it open here. And then, I got my MV and W tests. Terminate. I'm at now. So yeah. Okay. So as you can see here, okay, so I'm running the code and then afterwards I'm gonna have to test it. What now? Okay. Just come on. While it's loading, let me go to the quiz. So what does session attributes and design controller do? Yeah, a new placed into the models maintained in the session is essential because one order is built across multiple toggle design requests. Process order ends it with session status set. What does this mean? As you can see here, this is a portal that's supposed to lead. The difference between last chapter and this chapter is that this one has a portal that leads that pretty much leads to the next to like the ingredients which you see in the next chapter. So that's what we're dealing with here. So then boom, 500. Yeah, so yeah, dealing with here. So MVNW test. So yeah, so I ran it. I ran, with it. I did spring run there, and then you go and as you can see, here's the ingredients. You know what I mean here, ingredients here, and then that you tests. Then yeah, then obviously my compliant plugins are working. I just need my tests. But obviously what would happen is yeah, and then there you go. Yeah, yep. So my tests are working. Pretty much the same as last time, what I had before. Boom, thank you. Achievements run. Damn it. Just finish up. Come on, just finish up. Yes, okay. So my test works, and said both successful. So thank you very much, everybody.